Hello and welcome to today's class. Today we are going to draw something very simple. It's using color pencils. You can see what we are going to draw today. It's a tree trunk. So today's class is all about how to draw a tree trunk using color pencil. So let's not wait further, we'll start. So for this I'll be using the mixed media paper from Aish Paper. It's 250 GSM paper. It's absolutely stunning. And the color pencil I'm using is from Faber Castell. I have this set of 60. It's Faber Castell Polychromos. So you can use any color pencil whichever you have, even if it's a student or even if it's a artist grade, anything is fine. So let's not wait further, we'll begin with our drawing. I'll be using all these 5 colors for the drawing today, and I'm giving an outline using the yellow first. So it's a very simple sketch, it's just the outline of a tree trunk. Now we'll fill it completely using the yellow. You can use any yellow. I have mentioned the yellow I have used in the description box below. Don't forget to check that. So here we have used yellow color. You can use any yellow whichever you have. And I think that's done. The next color I applied is the number 9201188. The next color is kind of a light brown. If you don't have a similar color, you can use brown color, but don't apply too much of pressure over there. Just apply it like very smoothly to get a lighter shade over there. I'll be applying more of it to the left side. Right side I'll be leaving it as yellow only. Yeah, that's it. Now the next color I have chosen is burnt ochre. It's 187 number, and that also will be applying more to the left side, not much to the right side. More lines to the left side and fewer lines on the right side. The next color I have chosen is walnut brown, number 177. Now I felt like I should add a sort of red color to it. So I took out cadmium red from that. It's 217 number, and I am applying it to the middle and to the left side. And Here you go, that's it. Now I'm applying black color. Now again I'm applying burnt ochre in the few areas. Here you go, that's it. Now I'm adding a small branch to the right side. I have taken black color for that. I'm just adding a very small line. Later on I choose Walnut Brown and I'm just applied it over the black region. Then red color, that's it. Now we'll add little shadow or little shade to the region where that branch is coming off. So I've chosen Walnut Brown over there. I'm adding a little shadow. If you don't have this, you can choose black color. That's it. Here you go. This is a very small tree trunk which you did. We can add a little bit of greens to the bottom regions so that it doesn't look unfinished. So let's add a few grasses over there. I'm using a lighter green shade here. Let's apply it randomly to the both side of the tree trunk, to the bottom, to the right and to the left side. Just add randomly few lines here and there. And here you go. Black color, just adding it to the bottom region of the tree trunk to get a shadow. That's kind of an olive green color. We need to add more darker values to the grasses over there. So anyway, I'll be choosing more darker color. I'll be adding more darker color to it. I'm not giving so much of importance to the grass right now. I'm just adding it so that it gets a complete finished look. And that's it. And I hope you guys really like it. Do give it a try, and if you are trying it out and sharing it in the social media, don't forget to tag me. My Instagram ID is @septemberflower.in. I'll come up with another video next week. Till then, bye, take care, see you.